Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is in English for grade 5. We are learning unit number 9, Mary, the Queen of Hills. Yes, my dear teachers, this is lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 1, grammar, under the title of grammar, compound words. And we will cover a page number 86. Before in English for grade 4, we have already learned about compound words. I hope you remember it. If you may not, you can watch this video lecture again. Yes, my dear students, so our today's students' learning outcomes are join some words to make common compound words and use them in speech and writing. Recognize and use hyphen to join numbers, quantities and fractions. So yes, my dear teachers and my dear students, so today we are going to cover up this SLO. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Quran in Surah Al-Mulk verse number 19, have they not seen the birds above them expanding their wings and contracting them? What is it that withholds them, save the beneficent God? Surely He sees everything. Yes, my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us about the power of Almighty Allah, that if when we see that birds are flying into the air, so definitely there is a power that is holding them into the air and they are not going upward or downward in that way. They are flying in a smooth way. So definitely there is a God and that is holding them. Definitely this is beneficent God and that is also giving them, supporting them in a nice way. Yes, my dear students, pre-reading questions are there. What are compound words? Yes, my dear teachers, pause the video, get answer from your students and then come back. Excellent. I hope you have done it. So let's see what are compound words. A compound word is a combination of two or more words that function together to create a new word with a different meaning. Yes, my dear students, so what are compound words? Compound words can be made by the combination of two or more than two words. When we combine these two words, so they give us a new word with a different meaning. And each word of compound word has its own meaning itself also. So let's see, there few examples are there, my dear students. Yes, classroom. So this is a classroom and this is also a combination of two words. Classroom is a place where you are also now sitting in your classroom. So class is another word and room is another word. When we combine these words, so this is made by compound words, classroom. The next word is blueberry. This is also combination of two words, my dear students, and this is a fruit and so juicy and delicious. Yes, next is basketball. Also combination of two words, railroad. Yes, my dear students. So have you got that? Such type of words are called compound words. So next, how we can make compound words. A hyphen is a punctuation mark that is used to join words or parts of words. The numbers from 21 to 99 should be hyphenated when they are spelled out. Yes, my dear students, there are different ways how we can get that compound words. So in there is a one kind is that hyphenated compound words. So hyphen, we know that hyphen is a punctuation mark that we use to join different words and different sentences. So in this way, when we join two words, these are called hyphenated compound words. So what are that? Hyphenated compound words are formed when two separate words are joined together by a hyphen. Yes, my dear students, when we join two separate words by the use of a hyphen, so these words are called hyphenated compound words. And it doesn't matter that we have to combine just two words. No, it can be more than two words also that can be hyphenated and to make a compound word. You can judge in these examples, my dear students. Mother-in-law. So you can judge there are three words are there and they are hyphenated. There we put hyphen here and here also to make a compound word. Next is there, I have got 122 magazines to sell. Yes, that we can hyphenate it also in numbers when we are talking about numbers. So also we hyphenated these numbers. 56 bottles of Sprite. Yes, that these are also numbers from 21 to till 99. We can hyphenate these numbers to make a compound word. Yes, my dear students, next, how we can use hyphen in other fractions? We use hyphens in spelled out fractions. For example, a 1/4 increase, a 3/4 length coat. Yes, my dear students, that you know what is a fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. When we are dividing a thing into different parts, a single thing, so that is called fraction. So when we are talking about that fraction and we are writing in words, in the shape of words, when we have to get it into spelling, so then we use hyphen. In these examples, you can also judge that 1/4 that we have used hyphen because we have written it in word form. Here is another examples also. Use a hyphen between the numerator and the denominator. So in fractions, we know that we have already learned in maths also, my dear students, and in this regard your math teacher also can help you that when we are writing denominator and numerator into the form of in word form, so then also we used hyphen like 2/3, 3/11, and you can judge in these examples 3 and 5/7. So this shape is maths in, we can get that in a fraction form, and that fraction we have changed into word form by the help of a hyphen. Next is that where we can use hyphen. We use hyphens in quantities. Yes, my dear students, when we are talking about quantity, when we want to discuss, we want to tell about the quantity of a thing, that how much that thing is, so then also we use a hyphen. In this example, you can see that a 2 kilogram potato. So that you can judge that we have told the quantity of potato, that how much these are, so we used in hyphenated form. In next examples, 4 GB memory devices. So these are devices, computer devices and any devices, so that also we have segregated by the help of hyphen. Next, a 5 meter per square second acceleration. Yes, my dear students, the word acceleration, that we have, that there is a word and we will get it about in next grade in high level inshallah, but here we have to clear that we have to use hyphen when we are writing these fractions in simple word form. Yes, my dear students, now it's an activity time. Now let's learn more. My dear teachers ask students to present the pie chart given on book page number 86 in the classroom by taking turns. Help students to understand the use of hyphens in different ways which are discussed. Yes, my dear teachers, this activity is given on book and you should get that activity from your class and take turns and engage whole class in this activity and enjoy. Excellent job. I hope you have done it in a good way. Yes, my dear students, now open book page number 86, question number 8. Use hyphen to join numbers, quantities and fractions by making sentences. So this is a question for you, my dear students, and that question you will do in your classroom, in your notebook. And one thing I want to clear you, my dear teachers and my dear students, that is our timetable and that is a pie chart of a student, that how in which timing he has divided for sleep, for school, for playing, homework, meals, entertainment, that what he do whole day in. So that is 25% mean that percentage form is there, my dear students. So 25% mean 1 by 25 fourth, 1/4 part is called 25%. So yes, my dear teachers, pause the video and get this activity in your classroom, in your notebooks. Excellent way. I hope you have done it. Yes, my dear students. So what's our today homework? Write question number 7 given on book page number 86 in your notebooks. You will write question number 7 in your notebooks. It is given on page number 86. Yes, my dear teachers, there is worksheet and you can click it, download it and you can provide it to your students to get more information about compound words. So what we have learned today? We have learned today about common compound words and how we can use hyphen to make compound words. And in this way we have covered up our SLO, join some words to make common compound words and use them in speech and writing. Recognize and use hyphen to join numbers, quantities and fractions. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture and you have understood nicely. Thank you so much. Tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. Stay blessed.